Hey guys, welcome back to Brooke's Beauty Bar. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this reddish color hair. I know I'm totally giving like fall vibes, but I absolutely love being a redhead. I don't think I'll ever dye my hair any other color. But this is the color that I got. In my next video, I will be showing you guys how I like prep my hair. So I do trim my own hair, and I also want to show you how I straighten my hair and straighten my extensions as well. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Holla at your girl by leaving a comment down below, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so today the hair we're going to be using is Knappy hair extensions. I did want to show you the website of where I got the hair. I've been using this company for the past couple years and really like it. So I have purchased the not so nappy hair before and the natural coarse hair, but my favorite style is the Kinky coarse because of the volume that the hair gives. So this is what the hair looks like. I absolutely love the texture in the hair. As I said, it gives really nice volume, even when you straighten the hair. When you purchase Knappy hair extensions, they do send you a weft sealer with the hair. So right here, I'm just going to be applying the weft sealer to all the ends of my extensions to prevent shedding. Prism Lights is the bleach that we're going to be using today, and I'm also going to use 40 Developer to bleach the hair and let it process. So now we're going to be bleaching my hair. I do bleach my hair and the extensions so the colors will be more vibrant in the end. So even though this bucket says Kaleido Colors, my Prism Lights is inside just for easier storage. So I'm going to take Prism Lights bleach again and 20 Developer this time. Y'all, I don't know what was wrong with this bottle, but it was not opening. It was so baby proof. I was like, what is going on here? But eventually I get it open. So I take 20 Developer because I'm so slow at bleaching and coloring my hair. So I don't want my hair to process before I finish. So at first I start with 20 Developer, and then after I'm done my whole head, I go back in with 40 Developer so my hair processes to the desire that I want it to be. So this is what my hair is looking like after using the 40 Developer all over. So right now I'm just mushing the bleach throughout my hair so I make sure no spots are missed. So the color was a total fail the first time I dyed my hair. I thought that the color was going to be perfect with the colors that I chose. I used Adore hair color in Raging Red, Magenta, and Intense Red, and the Magenta and the Raging Red just took it overboard. It looked so pink. I did not like it. My roots were so hot. It was a hot mess. Didn't want to keep coloring my hair and frying it, so I dyed my extensions to make sure that I got the right color before I went back to my hair to dye it. So the same exact colors that I used on my extensions, I used on my actual hair to get the color that I have right now. So let me show you guys what colors that I did use. So this was my first color fail with the extensions. I was going more for this color, which is more of a maroon red. So to get this, I did want my roots a little bit darker than the rest of my hair. So I used 1 tube of Loreal Chroma True Reds and Garnet, and then I mixed in 10 drops of protein color filler in number 10 that I got from Sally's, and mixed all that with 20 developer. So for the rest of the hair, I did use the same brand, but the colors this time are Sangria and Ruby. So when I mix them together, I used 1 full tube of Ruby and a little less than half of Sangria because I wanted the hair to be red but not fire engine red. Then I mixed 10 drops of the protein color filler, and I used a little bit of Raging Red from Adora hair color, and then mixed all of that with 40 developer. So I used the darker mixture at the roots, which is Garnet, and I used the more reddish mixture of Sangria and Ruby for the rest of the hair. Then I let the hair process for about 30 minutes, rinse it out, deep condition, and style it. I really hope you guys liked this hair tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. As I said in my next video, I will be showing how I trim my hair and how I straighten my hair in the extensions. And I have a nice little tip for you guys to show you guys how to keep your hair straight for a longer period. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Mwah!